but I felt that momentum shifted towards the end of the second quarter. Miami led at halftime 22-15, and then once the second half started, it was all Miami Hurricanes. The Miami Hurricanes defense absolutely picked South Florida apart. They were powerless. They were dismantled. Just it was a total domination by the Miami Hurricanes team. South Florida did not score at all in the second half. It was a total different energy shift from one way to another. Miami Hurricanes defense were sensational. Miami outscored South Florida 28-0 in the second half.